Today's recipe is called oats egg roll. So the first thing is you boil your egg, then set aside. Then pour your oats into a bowl and add half cup of water. Then mix well. Stir thoroughly. Then add your sugar. Mix well. Mix well. If your oatmeal is watery, add more instant oats. Then mix well. Add your nutmeg. Stir thoroughly. If you are on a weight loss journey, then remove the egg yolk. Though this is optional, then tightly wrap the oats around the egg. Then fry. Our oats egg roll is ready. If you are trying to lose weight or trying to eat healthy, then do this recipe. Please do not forget to follow our Facebook page at Bibilicious Food and Lifestyle, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel at Bibilicious Food and Lifestyle.